survived the wreck.
What?
The thing y'all got me.
Oh, yeah. I love mine.
It flew off to the floor, though, when I got hit. It's got a backup camera, too. That worked. But I never use it, though.
I would.
I'm not used to it.
Well, now that I have one and used it, so I've got to have one.
I'll probably just go down here and turn around and then come back straight. I have such bad PTSD about turning out of places.
I just mow that strip of grass down up there so you can see.
Yeah. Sit still, Ellie.
See what I'm talking about? How much louder it gets when you give it gas. This
Zach,
one,
just let me drive it.
no. This one has steering wheel shake too.
It does.
Yeah.
Is what?
Steering wheel shake. Like, whenever you...
I need to drive this.
Yeah, you do.
She'll scare me in my own car.
No, I will not.
She won't let out of it like you will.
I know. I don't know, friends are like, dude, let me ride. I'm like, it's not gonna be that fun because I'm not gonna be retarded.
Well, I'm not either.
I'm not saying you are, but I just
Let me drive it back to the end. Back here.
I can't do that.
You let me drive Thelma.
Later on, you drove.
What is later on? Why? What's gonna be any different? It's not gonna be any different. What do you do? Blow your horn for?
Squirrel.
Just let me do it,
I will later.
please.
No.
Just to the end of this road.
Mm-mm.
Look, there's that reed grass that's growing in your mom's yard.
Huh? That's probably where she got it from.
Oh yeah. You're not my favorite brother anymore.
Shoot. It makes 9 to 11 pounds of boost, which is decent, and I've only been to like 6. But it like rides really good for what it is.
Yeah.
It's got 20s on it, which is like the probably worst riding wheel. If you listen, you can hear the
Here, whistling.
yeah.
You want to drive,
I
babe?
do.
I wouldn't let her drive, Zach. At least they have it 6 months or a year.
Luke,
What?
if you tell him it's okay, he will let me.
Shoot, mother ain't even drove this thing.
Yeah, then let's rub it in her face and let me drive. That'll really get her.
Yeah.
I
Now
really
you let
show.
in on, don't let out. Oh.
That's like barely anything for this thing, too.
You like that, Anna? Yeah, it's got a little edge to it.
Then you better get this motherfucker back in the garage because somebody's gonna call the law.
I don't got no plate, so good luck.
You ain't got no plate.
No.
Where the fuck is the
It's
plate?
in my back window. You just can't see it.
Well, they probably only tase Hannah for that.
I'll tell her it's her car.
Oh, look at that golf cart, Hannah. Fucking Mark Martin edition. And good looking
Come
little.
back just a little, my baby.
Yeah, there's a truck coming this way, though. But that wasn't even anything for this car. That's what's scary.
Yeah, it's just getting going, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think if I take it to Beach Bend, I'll get to like 125, which
When are you
will
gonna take it?
here soon. I just don't want to break
Gonna
it.
change the wheels before then?
Nah, I'm gonna keep these on it just because that's gonna hurt me. They're 350 or 305s, but I don't want to buy a new set of tires just to go race.